Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the power electronics converters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, power electronics converters. A power electronic system consists of one or more power electronics converters. Because in the power electronic system the main objective is to control and convert the power system. So we are doing two things. One is control as well as convert. The available power may be converted into from one form into another form. For example, AC to DC or DC to AC. Also control. So that based on that we will see what are the power electronics converters are available. A power electronics converter is made up of some power semiconductor devices controlled by integrated circuits. So this power electronic system consists of power semiconductor devices, power solid state semiconductor devices that is controlled by the integrated circuits. So the main objective to control and convert the electrical power is done by power semiconductor devices is controlled by integrated circuits. Now we'll see the various types of converters. The first one is the diode rectifier. While using diode, we can go for a rectification AC to DC. While using the diode, we cannot control the output. We can convert AC to DC. Uncontrolled is called a uncontrolled AC to DC converter. While using thyristor, using gate terminal, using firing, we can control the output. That's why that's called a phase controlled rectifier. While using diode is called a uncontrolled AC to DC converter. The magnitude of output voltage cannot be controlled. So it converts AC voltage into fixed DC voltage. It's a very important one, fixed. There is no variable. That is used in battery charging, electric traction, UPS and welding. Next we will see the phase controlled rectifier. AC to DC converter using with the phase controlled converters. So they convert AC voltage to variable DC output voltage. So while using thyristor, we have thyristor gate terminal is available. In that we are giving the firing pulse. By varying the firing pulse, the output voltage can be varied. That's why it's called a phase controlled. Earlier one is uncontrolled. So AC to variable DC output voltage. That is used in DC drives, chemical industries, excitation system for synchronous machine. This is the application of phase control rectifier. So first two type AC to DC converter. Now the third one is the DC to DC. Fixed DC to variable DC. That's called a DC chopper. It converts fixed DC voltage into variable DC output voltage or controllable DC output voltage. Right? DC to DC. Constant DC to variable DC. It is used in DC drives, subway cars, battery driven vehicles. Now we'll go to the fourth type, inverters. Inverter control DC to AC converter. It's called a DC to AC. First two type rectifier, AC to DC, controlled, uncontrolled. Then DC to DC chopper. This one DC to AC. That's why I call it inverter. Converter means AC to DC. Inverter means DC to AC. It converts fixed DC voltage into variable AC voltage. The applications are induction motor, synchronous motor drives, UPS, HVDC system. HVDC system is require converter as well as inverter. AC is converted into DC, DC is converted into AC. In UPS also. While using the UPS in the computer system or in the domestic application, what we are doing, the available AC supply. This in India we are getting AC supply as a consumer end we are getting AC supply. That's UPS system means having the converter, inverter and battery system. So during when the supply is available, AC is converted into DC, that is stored in the battery in UPS system. When supply is not available, the power stored in battery is DC, that is converted into AC, that can be consumed during the power failure. So when power available, AC is converted into DC, stored in battery. When power not available, DC is converted into AC in the battery and consumed in the industrial or domestic application. That is a UPS. So UPS contain both inverter as well as converter. We'll go to the fifth type, AC to AC converters. So we discuss DC to AC inverter, AC to DC rectifier, DC to DC chopper. Then we have AC to AC converter. So while dealing with AC, we have two parameters, magnitude and frequency. In case of DC, we have only magnitude. For the given time, the magnitude is constant. That's why called a DC, direct current. In case of AC, alternating current. The magnitude keep up changes, and also we have frequency. Two terms are available. So based on that, there are two types. If we vary the magnitude, that's called a AC voltage regulator. If we vary the frequency, it's called a cycloconverter. So it converts fixed AC into variable AC. In that, two types are available. AC voltage regulator dealing with magnitude. It converts fixed AC into variable AC at same frequency. Only magnitude is varied. Frequency is kept constant. Lightning control, speed control of fan, pump. Because here we are varying the magnitude, so we can vary the speed of the fan. And lighting, dimmer, we can make it to dimmer or brighter. And pumps. We'll go into the converter, cycloconverter. It converts input power at one frequency to output power at different frequency. The frequency is changing. Magnitude remain constant. So input power one frequency, output power different frequency. If the output power is greater than input power, it's called a step-up cycloconverter. If output power frequency is less than input power frequency, means step-down cycloconverter. Right? So here we are keeping magnitude constant and the frequency is varied. Slow speed large AC drives. It is used in the AC drive, because AC drive we need both frequency as well as magnitude. The sixth one is static switches. These power semiconductor devices can be operated as static switches for on and off control, static switches. So in this video we discuss power electronics converters, various types of power electronic converters. So first one, rectifier, AC to DC. Inverter means DC to AC. AC to DC rectifier, DC to AC inverter. Then DC to DC means chopper. AC to AC means two types. If you vary the magnitude, it's called a AC voltage regulator. If you vary the frequency, it's called a cycloconverter. Right? So this is the major converters available in the power electronic system. In power electronic system, our main objective is to control and convert. So this converter is able to convert from one power into another form according to the load requirement, and also control. By using the firing angle of the thyristor, we can control the power also. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.